This video depicts real police activity and may be difficult for some viewers to watch.
I don't have a driving license.
Why not?
Go back, sit in the car and leave.
What started as a routine traffic stop quickly spiraled into chaos.
Do you have the registration to the vehicle?
Nothing.
You got nothing?
Officers trying to calm a volatile encounter.
I don't want you to get rattled, but it's because you were reaching for your weapon.
No, I'm not reading, sir. Hey,
I watched you do it.
Until one sudden reach changed everything.
Hey, don't you read, dude? Okay. No.
At about 2:35 in the afternoon, a Fairfax County officer stopped an older sedan for an expired inspection sticker. The driver was a man who had once served alongside U.S. forces overseas, now living locally with his family. What happened during this stop would have serious and tragic consequences.
Jesus Christ. That was a heck of a stop, sir.
I have a gun and I'm armed. I'll let you know. So why did you pull me over?
Your inspection sticker expired
they
last.
know. Call Joe Biden or call George
Let me
Bush.
see your driver's
No,
license.
there's no. I don't have a driving license.
Why not?
Go back, sit in the car and leave.
No, sir.
No?
It doesn't work that way.
Okay, so go ahead, do whatever you want to do.
Can I get your name?
No.
No?
You're killing me. People don't get a disability. Oh, I have kids and I have a lot of bullshit things. So why you treat me this way?
Said 80. Can I get a supervisor to my location, please?
Dumbass
The,
people, you asshole.
Majestic.
I can't even go
Northbound
back to my
at
country because of you people.
Bar Shopping
I
Center.
started in army. Every time you come from me, or every time.
Do you have the registration to the vehicle?
Nothing.
You got nothing?
Nothing.
All right.
Yeah.
And you don't want to give me your name?
Sir, why? Look, hey, I died when I was serving you with you liars, with you people, with American status.
I served as well, sir.
Yeah. So you brought me to you people brought me to this god country, and I'm dying every single day, and I have 4 children, and we wholly survive because you're racist people.
Okay.
Yeah, because I can't get a job, I can't get a disability, and they took my license because I'm not able to pay the insurance. So why are you trying to kill me?
I'm not trying to
No,
kill you,
you
sir.
are. I'm already died. I don't give a
Said
damn.
80. Subject's armed, refusing to give ID. Don't reach for anything,
No,
dude. Don't unbuckle that.
I'm telling you, don't reach. I'm telling you, don't reach. I don't
Subject
give a
keeps
damn.
reaching.
I don't give a damn. If you do anything, don't do anything.
Subject keeps reaching for his weapon.
No, I'm not reaching.
Sure. Just all use the field. Tell us over your restricted 1439.
Sir, I stopped you for a lawful traffic stop.
I don't give a damn. You liars.
After several minutes of arguing, the driver takes out and positions a camera to record, signaling an unsettling shift in his behavior.
You liars.
I'm not lying.
No, you're lying.
It's obviously right there.
You are no. Today's
So
the
what
day,
I'm
buddy.
what I'm
Today's
asking
the day.
for is you to
Dumbass
identify
liars, white
yourself.
people. You lied for 25 years.
R80 Bravo, will you direct on that?
You brought me to this country. I served with special forces. I lost my own brother. I lost my everything.
I'm sorry.
I have nothing.
I'm sorry to hear that.
No, you're sorry to hear that? No. Don't play that bullshit.
So you don't have a registration to the vehicle?
You know what? Listen here. You're American, okay?
Yes.
Yes, you are American. I give you my what do you call that shit? Take it. They took my driving license.
They took it away?
Yeah, for no reason. I have a hard time with court. I'll show you the paperwork. You won't believe what they say. They don't. tell them, bull, the system is broke.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, it sounds like you're going through a really rough time.
man.
No matter how the officer tried to keep the interaction calm and professional, the driver continued to escalate the conversation, introducing personal and political grievances.
I should have served with fucking Taliban better than you. I was concerned and a dumbass when I was concerned about Taliban, but in America, since 2014, I'm concerned about more about you people. Because
Okay.
you lie, because you play games, that's how I'm going deeper.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these are my partners here. They're coming up. I don't want you to get rattled, but it's because you were reaching for your weapon.
No, I'm not reading, sir. Hey,
I
sir,
watched you do it.
I don't give a damn. It brings as many people as you can.
Okay.
Go ahead. You're not listening. What I'm telling you.
I am listening to you.
I have 4 children. Do not reach your gun.
Rob, everybody slow down. Units maps 1080, slow it down, 1441.
Hey,
So-
listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to give me that?
Hey, don't you reach
Hey.
it? No.
800 Bravo, shots fired.
Set 80, I'm hit.
This is take it. I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to give me that?
Hey, don't you reach it? No.
As officers moved in to take him into custody, he drew a handgun from his holster and fired a shot, injuring both officers confronting him.
800 Bravo, shots fired. 800 Bravo, shots fired.
I take this with you, okay?
So now you want to
No. Hey, don't you reach it?
The man fired off one shot, but then his gun jammed. Otherwise, he would have been able to fire multiple rounds at the officers.
Listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay? No. Hey, don't you reach it? No.
In a rapid motion, he racked the slide, chambering a round. It was a controlled and practiced movement, showing clear familiarity with firearms. He fired once, then attempted to fire again, but the weapon malfunctioned. Even after the misfire, he tried to clear the jam and rechamber another round. Only then did the passenger side officer return fire, ending the confrontation.
Hey, listen, American. This is take it. I take this with you, okay? No. Hey, no. You reach it? No.
800 Bravo, shots fired.
800 Bravo, shots fired.
800 Bravo, signal 1.
The single round the man fired struck both officers, passing through one officer's arm into the arm of another, before crossing the street and shattering the rear window of a parked car. Life-saving measures were performed, but the driver was later pronounced deceased at a nearby hospital. It's a tragic outcome, one heated moment, leading to lasting consequences for everyone involved. Around the country, we continue to see how quickly routine encounters can escalate, forcing officers to respond to clear and immediate danger within seconds. If you found this video informative, subscribe for more split-second police decisions and stay updated on how law enforcement handles high-stakes encounters.